Hello, I'm Sally McPherson from iSeek Plan, and this is the third of our videos on how to build and optimise your website for a plan hire company. The first video talked a little bit about the content that you need to have on your site to excite your customers and drive them to take action for your plan hire company. So that's principally calling you to hire your machines. The second video talked about the basics of search engine optimization and how to improve your rankings in Google. In this video, I'm going to talk about what to look for and what to look out for when you are engaging a development company or an SEO agency to help build your website and promote it. I meet a lot of customers that need help with their digital planning in plan hire, and a lot of people get stung by their lack of experience in this space by dodgy operators willing to take advantage of you. Here, I'll talk about ways you can avoid getting stung and what kind of partner you need. So as discussed in previous videos, you don't need heaps of bells and whistles on your plan hire website. There is a couple of simple pages that are highly effective and promote your business very well. So in that way, you don't need to employ the best developer in town or the most expensive. My recommendation would be to ask around for references from other businesses or do a Google search. Any web developer that knows how to rank their own website in Google is probably a good partner for you. So make sure you look at their social media pages and their website. You want to look at someone who speaks plainly on their site, makes the site easy to navigate, and find information easy. Before searching for a developer who can code your site, you need to plan every single page of it. Review my previous videos to get a sense of the exact pages you need to promote your plan hire company. Then create a document in Word or PowerPoint spelling out the must-haves on each page, including images, videos, contact details, and the text you want on each page. The more you scope the site and the more clear you are with what you want, the better, the sharper the quote's going to be, and the more likelihood you'll get exactly what you want straight away. As discussed in previous videos, you absolutely must try to build your website on top of a CMS system called a content management system. These are off-the-shelf software packages that control the content on every single page and allow you to edit, update, add pages and remove stuff from your website with great frequency. Sometimes developers can be sneaky and ignore the CMS, suggesting that they hard code every single part of your site. This is only in their best interests because you have to pay them to change anything on your website, and it means it's going to take a long time and cost you a lot of money. What's more is that Google scores you more highly for websites that change regularly. So it's better to have the system in-house so you can update text and images and pages. CMS systems are actually cheap, so do a bit of research online before you go ahead with a developer, and you can select the product to build your website on. They are also pretty easy to use and mean that every single time that you get a new machine or you sell a machine or you want to add a news or a blog item, you can upload it very quickly. And one of the issues with blogs and news articles is that they're an important search engine optimization play. So I can't stress strongly enough to make sure that your site is built on a CMS. Getting websites developed in Australia is expensive, and there are plenty of agencies that will take money off you for nothing. You need to scope your website out first, then get it quoted up. The more information in your scope, the sharper your price will be. Some agencies charge development costs, which can be between $90 and $140 an hour, depending on the agency and skill of developer. Other agencies charge project management and other quality services over the top, and these can often be $140 to $220 an hour and involve things like project management and strategy and other consulting services. And these are principally for larger companies or businesses. For your plan hire company, I would be surprised if your website costs between $10,000 and $15,000. Any more than that for a complete site, and you've probably overcooked it. If it's been well scoped and you've found an agency that doesn't charge these management or superfluous services, then the absolute standard development of a site should be around the $10,000 mark. I meet a lot of plan hire companies, and I meet very few of them that understand search engine optimization. In previous videos, I have discussed the basics of search engine optimization. However, you may need some help from an external agency, and my website spends tens of thousands of dollars on this every single month. Search engine optimization is easily the most confusing and convoluted marketing medium out there. So I do very strongly encourage you to educate yourself before you embark on an SEO campaign. Search engine optimization involves the optimization of content on your site to improve the way that Google reads and indexes your site. It also involves the creation of links and link building campaigns on the internet on different sites that point into your site, which gives your site a certain weight in the eyes of Google. These campaigns can cost you $800 a month for a handful of keywords, or they can go up to thousands and thousands of dollars depending on how many keywords you want to rank for. The thing to look out for with SEO agencies is lofty promises. If they're promising to have you on page 1 in a couple of weeks, then they're simply lying to you. You can't get your website to rank on very important key terms quickly. You have to play the long game. So when you're looking for an SEO agency, you need to make sure that they understand how to optimize your site on site, and also how to build an ongoing long-term linking strategy to your website. For a plan hire company, I'd be surprised if you spent any more than a couple of $1,000s a month, and I would focus on keywords that are going to get the most amount of traffic to your site. Expect to have to pay this for a couple of months until you even start to see results, and expect to have to maintain the campaign in order to continue to raise up the ranks. So, I bet some of this sounds a little scary and probably very expensive. There is a shortcut and there is a cheaper way of doing this, and that's simply promoting your business on iSeekPlan. We spend thousands of dollars every month, as I've said, on promoting our business in Google, which means that we're promoting your business. And thousands of project managers, supervisors, engineers, and high-quality procurement managers search our site every single day for machines across Australia. So if you're not on our site, you won't get found. And what's more is we actually build websites for plan hire companies every day. So for $60 a month and a tiny setup fee, we'll put a templatized but very unique website on the net for your business, and all you have to do is supply the content. We develop, host, and publish your site for as long as you like. So, need to join iSeekPlan? You need to go to www.iseekplan.com.au and click List My Business. From there you can select a free profile, join our site, experiment with it, and then we'll talk to you about upgrade options.